Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front differential fluid on BMW X5 E70. The front differential on this car is located right there, so this is the drain plug right there. To have better access, I'm going to remove this cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the cover is removed, I have a better view of the differential. This is the drain plug right there, and the filler plug and lever plug is located right there. In order to get access to that filler plug, we need to go from the side. We need to remove this plastic cover, and then we'll have access to the filler plug. Now that this plastic is removed, we have access to the filler plug. That's the filler plug right there next to the CV axle. This is the Allen key that I'm going to be using to loosen the filler plug. It's H14. First, always loosen and remove the filler plug to make sure that when you drain the oil, you'll be able to fill it up. That's the filler plug removed. Now we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. Now that the oil is drained, I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next, I'll show you in the service manual the oil grade for the front differential and also the capacity. The oil grade is BMW synthetic 75W90 and the oil capacity is 0.7 liters. Next, I'm going to start filling the differential with oil. This is the pump that I'm going to be using. I'm going to put the hose into the filler hole of the differential, and I'm going to put the pump into the bottle. This is the oil that I'm going to be using for the front differential. Now I'm going to start pumping the oil into the differential. It takes about 0.7 liters. So when the oil is to the maximum level, to just start flowing from the filler hole, which means that it's exactly the amount that it needs to be, and then we can put the filler plug back on. We can see oil started flowing from the filler hose, so now we're going to remove the hose. That means the oil is at maximum level. Now we're just only going to put the filler plug back on, and then we're done with replacing the oil for the front differential. After we put the filler plug back on, we're going to tighten it, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.